Have you ever wondered why the universe doesn't just collapse on itself? According to classical physics, the atom you see here is impossible. If an electron were just a tiny planet orbiting a nucleus, it would radiate energy, spiral inward, and crash in a fraction of a second. But it doesn't. Watch as the electron defies the death spiral, locking into a specific quantized energy step. This was the birth of quantum chemistry.
So, if it's not a planet, what is it? Think of a guitar string. When you pluck it, it forms a standing wave. An electron behaves exactly the same way. It's not a dot, it's a smear of probability wrapping around the nucleus. If the wave doesn't meet itself perfectly tail to head, it cancels out. Watch the wave stabilize as we find the perfect frequency. This is why electrons can only exist at specific energy levels.
This leads us to the most mind-bending concept, the cloud. We can never know exactly where an electron is, only where it might be. Heisenberg tells us to stop looking for a particle and start looking for a pattern. Initially, we see a sphere, the s orbital, but as we add energy, the probability map morphs. Watch the transition into the p orbital, the dumbbell shape. The electron is effectively everywhere in these shapes at once. Electrons have a unique property called spin. They aren't actually spinning balls, but they act like tiny magnets with a north and south pole. The Pauli exclusion principle is the cosmic traffic law. No two electrons in an atom can have the same state. They must pair up, one spin up, one spin down. If they try to align in the same direction, they repel. Watch them snap into the anti-parallel lock. Finally, what happens when atoms meet? This is chemistry. It's just quantum interference. When two atomic orbitals get close, their wave functions overlap. If the phases align, we get constructive interference, a bond. The electrons stop belonging to one atom and start sharing a new molecular orbital. You are witnessing the birth of a molecule, the glue that holds all matter together.